What's up everyone, Mitesh here with MTech, and yeah, you guys read it right, Essential Phone. That is what I'm unboxing today because I just picked this up from Amazon. It was on sale for $225. Now, this phone was not rated very highly when it first came out, but I think it's a lot due to that price tag of $700 when it first came out. It just wasn't, that great for that price, but at $225 and the specs you're getting on this, it might be worth it. So I picked one up and I'm going to be letting you guys know what my experience with it is like. But today I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of unboxing so you guys can see what comes inside of it. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is, and let's just go ahead and get into it. I already went ahead and made a little mark here so I can take this plastic off. There we go. Let's go ahead and get all of this off of there. There we go. The one that was on sale is the Halo Gray one, so that's the one I have right here. You can see this little Essential Phone. It tells you what you get inside the Essential Phone, a fast charger, a cable, and an audio adapter because this thing does not have a headphone jack. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Ooh, that is a nice presentation. So here we have the phone itself, of course, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that down for a second. Ooh, that feels nice and heavy. Here's that audio cable we were talking about. So it's a USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable. We've got a very nice USB-C to USB-C cable here. It's nicely braided and it comes with a nice little Velcro strap, or not a Velcro strap, but a strap to keep it all together. It's a very nice cable. It feels like it's braided. And then of course in here we have the fast charger. This thing I believe can do Qualcomm's quick charge, or it does power delivery. I'm not actually sure which one it is, but it will do fast charging with that. Over here we have the SIM ejector tool and all that stuff. I'm surprised we don't have any paperwork. Or is there paperwork that I'm missing? Or is this it? No paperwork. Interesting. Anyways, here it is, the phone itself, and let's go ahead and peel this off. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, yeah. That is the stuff. Wow, it looks really good. Get this off as well. So you can see I got it in this gray color, which is like a very matte color, and this is ceramic on the back, which is a really nice material. It's much harder than glasses, and yeah, it's a very, very nice material. We have the buttons over here, and it's a titanium frame all around this phone versus just being your normal aluminum. Let's go ahead and power this on. There we go, Essential, powered by Android. And back here, you see these two pins right here? That is to connect the accessories that come with it. Currently, the only accessory that's available is the 360 camera. One of my friends actually has one, so I'll probably pick that up from him just to test it out. The dual cameras in here. One is a regular camera. One is a black and white camera. We've of course got the flash, microphone. There we go. It started. You can see that notch at the top, which Essential Phone was one of the first phones out there with that notch design. And this is a very, very small notch compared to most of the ones out there. Like you can see, it's just a little water drop design right there. But it's got basically no bezel everywhere else. And yeah, it is a very heavy phone for the size. So the ceramic plus that titanium makes it just a little heavy. So yeah. There you guys have it. That is the Essential Phone unboxing. Alright guys, so I got the phone set up a little bit and I've been using it for a little while, and I'm going to give you guys a quick few first impressions. First of all, it's just the screen is gorgeous. Like, this is my first full screen phone, just with a little notch, and it is really nice. I'm not used to it. Obviously my Pixel 2 has huge bezels, so this is very nice. Really easy to get used to. Some things I don't like, the speaker, or the bottom firing single speaker, it's hard to go back to this after having dual front facing speakers for as long as I have. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to it. We'll see if I can come around to being okay with it or not. The camera, so yeah, I took a couple quick snaps and I am not particularly happy with this camera. Once again, coming from the Pixel 2, which is one of the best cameras, it's kind of understandable, but yeah, even for that, the camera on here is not great. If you use the built-in camera app. I downloaded the Pixel camera on here, and it makes a big difference. But yeah, I will get into all of that in the next couple videos where I go over the performance, the camera, definitely the camera, because I think that is going to be one of the weaker points of this. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss any of those videos, because I will be posting all that stuff. And I will also be posting a bunch of pictures to my Instagram account, so you guys should follow me there too. I'm about to go on a trip to Denmark, Norway, and Netherlands, so be sure to check it out there because I will have some pretty awesome pictures, hopefully. And yeah, with that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!